Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be doing a ref raid. There was a friend of mine who actually requested that I do this so that she could see what's inside my ref. First things first, this is the ref. It's an LG ref. I think I bought this way back when. The second year when I was in pro-life, and this is the commission that I used for that sale. So this is the places I visited. Okay, so this is the ref, so it's an LG ref, and places I've visited. So if you haven't seen it yet, I have a Taiwan vlog, and I also have a Australian vlog. So I went here last year, and this was 2 years ago. I actually stayed there for about a month and a half. So if you haven't seen it yet, don't forget to watch that vlog. Okay, so let's check what's inside the ref. As you can see, the ref is jam-packed. It's full of food. We're preparing for December, so it's gonna be Christmas in about a few weeks. I think 2 weeks from now. And here we go. So this is what's inside the ref. We have different kinds of cheese, butter, mozzarella, more mozzarella, cheddar, Parmesan, Parmesan again, Parmesan, more Parmesan. So we actually have a lot of Parmesan and mozzarella. So my mom likes to cook a lot of pasta. That's why we have a lot of cheese. Red wine, sparkling wine. I think these are used for cooking also. Not sure what this is for. I think it's also for cooking. Coarse juices, cranberry juice, Gatorade, Sprite, blueberry. And at the top, we have our peanut butter for sandwiches. What I had for breakfast, oatmeal. And we also have blueberry cake, bread, leftover cake, eggs, and we have like so many milk for our cereal, more blueberry cake, and here we have our fruits, watermelon, and we have like a month of Yakult, orange juice. So we have orange juice also. Here we have vegetables. So these are our, we try to eat like vegetables every day. So we always have a balanced diet. So of course our apples, more vegetables, grapes. So that's pretty much what's inside our ref. So mostly, like, I think it's mostly junk food and a few healthy options below. Cheeses. Okay, now this is the freezer, so we have lots of meats. We eat mostly pork, chicken, beef. Okay, so this is fresh lean pork steak. Fish, so we eat marinated milk fish, locally known as bangos. Ice. I think that's mostly what's inside the freezer, and we have, I'm not sure what these are. I think these are like leftover food or little portions of meat that hasn't been cooked yet. Now, other than the ref, we also have other foods that we keep. Pepero. We have different flavors of pepero. So we have almond pepero. Oh, one banana. Pepero again. Choco cookie pepero. Of course, my favorite, white cookie pepero. Any one of you guys want to drop by, you could like get a pepero. And of course, our cereal. We eat Kellogg's with strawberry. I actually love strawberry. Also, we have butter cookies. So we usually have these in Christmas. So we have 2 butter cookies. Other than the ref, we also have, oops. So this is part of our pantry. We have like graham crackers, seasoning. So we have the Italian style for our pasta, olive oil for cooking, soy sauce. These are mostly what my mom would use for her cooking. Ooh, extra virgin olive oil. More seasoning. Also for baking, so we have blueberries. So that's it for our ref raid. Do comment and like the video if you find this something you'd like watching. So again, my name is Phil. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe. Bye.